In this video, we're going to show you two ways to measure, cut and fit a spacer to create depth between the glazing and artwork in a frame, useful for framing objects, memorabilia and float-mounted prints. These spacers are from our paper wrap slips and spacers range, which are covered in the same face paper as popular colours from our Lion mount board range. The height of your spacer needs to leave enough room in the rebate for the glazing, mount and backing board. Also check that the spacer is no wider than the rebate of the moulding so that it's not visible from the front. Method A is quick and easy, better suited to smaller frames. Measure the long sides of the frame. Cut the two pieces of spacer to this length with a spacer and slip fillet cutter. Next, drop the glazing into the frame. Apply double-sided tape to each piece of spacer, then stick them to the inside of the frame, applying pressure to achieve a good bond. Measure the short sides between the spacers, then repeat as before. Complete the frame as usual. Method B adds a little more rigidity to the frame as the spacer is joined. Measure the inside of your frame. You'll cut the spacer so that the outside matches the glass size. To do this on your morceau, line up 0 on the stop beam with the size you want to cut. If you order spacers on our chop surface, we'll automatically cut to the outside glass size. Join the spacer frame on your underpinner, then drop into the frame on top of the glazing. Complete the frame as usual. Visit lionpick.co.uk to order samples of paper wrap spacers and slips as well as Lion mount board.